May kita rin naligaw ya, mama.
Bakit mo kalimot na naman?
1, 2, 3. My condolence.
I thought the devil wasn't allowed in the church.
I'm here for my respect.
That's a crap, Victoria.
That's a
You don't know respect.
crap.
Ang pagpunta mo dito ay isang pagbabastos.
Ayaw ko ng gulo.
Ayaw mo ng gulo? You don't know respect. Be, you want to
Uy, ang mga bata! Uy, nalita! Uy!
Hello, mag-rehearsal! Teka, kasi may sa'yo chat sa video.
Piniling mo sila guys.
Mura ka!
Last na. Last na.
Uy, ay, nasigsag daw nila yung drama, comedy.
My condolence, Vera.
I thought the devil wasn't allowed.
I'm here for my
That's a crap, Victoria. You don't know respect. Ang pagpunta mo dito ay isang pambabastos.
Ayaw ko ng gulo.
Ayaw mo ng gulo? You want to pay respect? Pay your respect to your father! Kiss him!
How dare you do it to me? I said ayaw ko ng gulo, pero you're forcing me to do so.
Shut up, Victoria!
Oh no, I think you're the one who need to shut up right now.
Walang hiya ka!
Walang hiya ka! Sabi ko ayaw ko ng gulo!
You're such a pathetic daughter!
You're such a wicked beast. Remember this. Someday, you will be kneeling down to me and asking for my forgiveness.
Never! Not to you, Victoria!
Oh.
Ah!